Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Update the Quest 2 firmware and charge it to at least 50% so interruptions don't break the process. On the headset, install the Virtual Desktop app or sideload via SideQuest if you need the latest build. This gives necessary features. Make sure your PC and Quest 2 share the same Wi-Fi, preferably a 5 GHz network, because wired speeds versus wireless matter for latency and a smooth desktop stream. Once done, move to the PC. Download and install the Virtual Desktop Streamer app, sign in with the same Oculus account so the headset discovers the PC. This is required for pairing. Next, adjust firewall and antivirus to allow the streamer app and common UDP/TCP traffic, otherwise discovery fails. Finally, set your GPU to gaming/performance mode and pick an appropriate render scaling, such as 90 to 120%, to balance clarity against frame rate for a fluid experience. Now pair and optimize. Open Virtual Desktop in the Quest 2, find your PC in the list, and approve the pairing code shown on both devices. This establishes the secure stream. Test with a light application to confirm smooth tracking, and if you notice stutter, lower the bitrate or resolution in the streamer settings. If problems persist, try troubleshooting, switch router to a less crowded 5 GHz channel, connect the PC via Ethernet, or update GPU drivers to resolve common connection and performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.